Alright, so to set this bad boy up, you just want to make sure you get the model from the description. You just want to place the link, and once you do that, the model is going to show up out here in the toolbox. Navigate to your inventory and tap it two times, and yeah, hit OK and then group it. Alright, you got the readme with all of the instructions in case you did not follow this video. I'm just gonna delete it. The timeline camera 2, and the tie events. You wanna place them inside of the replicated storage, the tie script inside of the server script servers, and the tie local script inside of the starter player scripts. Alright, and with those three out of the way, just wanna make sure you place the request GUI inside of the starter GUI. Again, this is going to be very useful. And the tie gate is actually going to be that part as detective two players are tied. If they are not, they are basically going to get killed by it. It's not that hard to understand what's happening. Like, you can just click on the script and see. Yeah. So I'm just gonna test this bad boy real quick. Yeah, 3 players, and let's hope for the best. Alright, so now that we are here, I'm just gonna press request for the player 2. And if we did everything correctly, yes. As you can see, the player 1 wants to be tied with you, and right here is going to be his icon. I made it so the gameplay players can... Anyway, with that out of the way, let's just play a little bit. Come on, Roblox. Oh my.
2 hours later.
And since we are tied, we can just pass through this gate right here. Yeah, like, if I were to jump, it will just hit me into the other player, like fling me real cool, like this some Angry Birds type of thing. And the player 1, if he wanted to like go to the barrier, okay, it finally works. Again, I was using the emulation, so you're not gonna have that problem, don't worry. And he basically gets killed. So yeah, that's how we set up this system. The script is extremely fast, like we don't have any while loops whatsoever, like we just check some events, and every time a player enters we just create the prompts.